Hello friends, so here I am again. Here we are going to discuss 20 more ISCA MCQ questions. So first question is: an MNC acquired an Indian company. The day acquisition was implemented, the MNC replaced all system in the Indian company with the brand B system, where Indian company was using a brand A system. Above scenario shows that replacing system can be huge cost. In today's competitive environment, it may not be possible for all companies to bear such expenses. So they allow employees to use their own rather than changing the same with the specific brand, which way of working is called as bring your own device, because they are allowing their employees to use their own device. So answer is C. In the second question, a large company has created a specific cloud computing environment for its employees. Access to this cloud is available to company customers and vendors whose KYC has been validated. This type of cloud can be classified as, so this kind of cloud is hybrid cloud, because they are using two private cloud and public cloud also. This is a hybrid cloud. A key concern is technology like BYOD, cloud computing, mobile computing is the key concern इनका क्या होता है? So key concern is security, because security is very important part in these three technologies. Fourth question: a bank in process of implementing CBS has got following proposals from two vendors out of five shortlisted. Vendor has suggested that they shall host a basic software at a bank branch. The branch needs to have system with basic configuration and internet connection with appropriate security. Bank need not buy a separate server, as all data shall be hosted on a central system. And all people in branch shall be given a user ID to access system. This shall be drastically reduce the capex of bank as a whole. The vendor shall be charging on as per use basis per month. All data applications shall be stored at a central location. This proposal by vendors can be best classified as, this is an example of SaaS and IaaS, like software as a service and infrastructure as a service, because they are using their softwares and the infrastructures also. The correct answer is C. Fifth, asymmetric crypto system means, asymmetric system means a system of secure key pair consisting of private key of creating a digital signature and public key used for verifying the digital signature. Kindly the two space with the appropriate words. So correct answer is B. Fifth answer is B. And sixth, any set of computer instructions that are designed to modify, destroy, record, transmit data or program residing within a computer system or computer network, or by any means suppose normal operation of the computer system and computer network, is defined as computer uh, contaminant. So this is defined as a computer contaminant, because this is the definition of computer contaminant in the IT Act. So the next question, 7 number. A program in a software company stole the source code of payroll program and made modification in the source code, the program. This actions of program is an offense under chapter 9 of the Act, 11 of the Act. Kindly mention the section of chapter 11 under which program may have committed offense. So this is the section 65 and 66, because that is specified in that section. So the answer is A. Client digital signature are stolen from CA office and are misused. Under which section CA may held guilty? So under 43A. Answer is B. Auditor performing an audit needs to understand the audit risk as it exists at client end. Risks so assessed may be revised based on the auditor's conclusion on audit of sample check. This makes audit process iterative. So this is the iterative audit process. So correct answer is B. In a technology world, availability of physical audit evidence is one of the greatest challenges faced by the auditors. How auditors can make good these challenges? So the correct answer is like through the use of tools and better audit timing. So correct answer is D, because They want to make it good, like physical audit evidence. And correct. Next question is 11. Capability in a software where it can list all the cash transactions exceed 10,000 can be classified as uh, audit hoax techniques, because they are flagging the transactions just excess of 10,000. So this is an example of audit hoax. Audit trails documents the actions, user details, etc. Audit trails objective includes all except. तो ऑडिट ट्रेल्स में क्या क्या इंक्लूड नहीं होता? डिटेक्टिंग इंक्लूड होता है उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में, फैसिलिटिंग द रिकंस्ट्रक्शन ये भी इंक्लूड होता है, डॉक्यूमेंटिंग चेंजेस टू बी मेड इन अ सिस्टम, दिस इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ audit trail objective. So correct answer is C. System is broken into small components and each component is developed and delivered to client. This development method is a prototype. No, this is the incremental, because every part starts when one part is completed. So it will be divided, like each component, like divided in, broken into small components. So this is an incremental development method. Entity tried to develop, question number 14. Entity tried to develop system using SDLC. The development efforts failed. On analysis of major reason for failure, it was found that poor user developer interactions was a key issue. You have been hired as a system development consultant. Kindly suggest a new development method that you feel can help entity overcome the failure. So the correct answer is prototype, because in prototype development effort failed. Analysis major reasons failures. So they are using different method. Correct. So this is the prototype. Correct answer is C. Software development model that combines iterative and incremental method. The iterative or incremental method combines with that. So it is the example of agile methodology. During question number 16, correct answer is B, is an agile development model. Correct. Question number 16. During evaluation of schedule feasibility of system, company realized it needs a better alternative to SDLC as a method of development, as it takes a lot of time. A list of iterative development method is made available. All methods are eligible to be selected as iterative. Alternate except one. Kindly identify that method. So question number 16 का answer है A, that is parallel, because it's the most complex method. During an emergency plan, what is the first steps to be done? So in emergency plans, first we need to notify authorities. The correct answer is C. Then backing up all files modified after last full backup is backing up all files modified after last full backup is the example of differential backup. Government of GOI wishes to create a very secure access control mechanism for its nuclear method authorized. So when we hear about the nuclear, so it is the biometric validation along with password. The correct answer is A. Correct answer is C. Biometric validation of a person who has entry card and password. The correct answer is C. And question number 20, identify the odd one out. Security guards, CCTV, alarm, and deadman doors. So which one is correct? Correct answer is CCTV, because this is not the part of security and all. So thank you so much. These is all our 20 questions. Please share these videos and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.